Today I'm going to show you how to create a gold effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Quick Selection tool and select the subject. Press Ctrl J to cut the shoes from its background. Double-click on this and rename it Subject. Press Ctrl J to duplicate and rename it Gold Effect. Unlock the background layer. Click the FX icon and choose the color overlay. Click the color box. You can choose whatever color you like, so I'm gonna choose dark color. Then press OK. The blend mode is normal. I'll increase the opacity to 100%. Then click OK. Double-click on this and rename it Background. Select the top layer. Go to Image, Adjustments, and Black and White. Then click OK. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Go back to Image, Adjustments, and Invert. Change the blend mode to Difference. And then right-click on the top layer and merge down. Press Ctrl J to make one more copy. This time, go to Image, Adjustments, and Invert. Change the blend mode to Difference. Then right-click and merge down. Click on the adjustment layer and create a color balance. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. I'll open the tone list and select Shadows. I'll decrease the yellow and blue to -20. And for the cyan and red, +8. Select Midtones. For the yellow and blue, -40. And for the cyan and red, +14. Select Highlights. For the yellow and blue, +16. And for the cyan and red, +6. Go back to Adjustment layer and create a Levels. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. I'll increase the shadow input level to 11. And the midtone, 0.95. Go back to Adjustment layer and create a Vibrance. Click on the Clip to Layer icon. Increase the vibrance all the way to 100. Then close Properties. Select the bottom layer. Create a new layer. Double-click on this and rename it Shadow. Open your Brush tool and Brush Picker. Choose your soft round brush. I'll increase the brush size to 2300. And then adjust the brush angle. The opacity is 100%. And the flow is 100%. Make sure foreground color is black. And create a shadow beneath the shoes. Let's go back to this. I'll increase the brush size to 2600. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.